Have a look. Now you can see the transmission and the color change. See? Hi guys, this video will explain what is the average mileage I'm getting for my Honda Civic, especially in Dubai. Let's have a look what I'm getting and what all are the features which is available in this car to improve the mileage as well as the same time to get the better performance. Let's have a look. Hi guys, in this speedometer you can see I'll show you. There is two lights, one is here and one is here, just two LED lights. This has I have seen three colors. One is white and green mix, another one is green. White means if you're just bothered about the mileage, white means you are getting a very low mileage. White and green mix, that means you are getting an average or below average mileage. If it is green, that means that is showing that okay, you are driving on an economy mode, you will get the perfect mileage. So when you are driving, just have a look. It is quite easy for you to understand whether your acceleration is too hard or low. That's just for the understanding actually. And okay, let's come to the main point. Here you can see it is showing 7.1. That means 7.1 liters means it is around 14 kilometers above. Approximately you can say I'm getting an average mileage of 14 kilometers for my last 1780 kilometers. This is average mileage what I'm getting. So if you are driving if you are going on a long drive, I'm sure I will get more than 18 plus or approximately 20. But when you are in the city or when you are in the traffic, it will go back to 8 to 9 or 8 to 10 between that. But on an average, I'm getting 14 kilometers per liter. For this is Honda Civic 1.6 liter engine. But only the thing is, I just wanted to tell you, this is there is no gear 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no shift like that. It is continuously changing. So you don't feel the lag between the gear shift. There is no lag between gear 1, 2. You don't feel something like that. So this is all about mileage what I'm getting. And if you want to know what is the power, what is the performance of this car, I will show you in the next video. Let's have a look. But at the same time you can feel the power of the engine, and let's see, we'll show you that. Let's have a look. Now you can see the transmission and the color change. See the power of the car. It reached now I have to reduce the speed because the speed limit is maximum 120, so I can go up to 140 only. So I'm stopping here actually. You can go more than this. So as I informed, my average 14 kilometers I'm getting for my Honda Civic, and if this is not I'm driving always economy mode, nothing like that. There is an option economy mode if I on that button. But it is reducing the performance a lot actually. I don't feel the power of that engine when you are on the economy mode. So I'm always driving on the normal drive mode. But if you want to increase the power, or if you want to increase the feel, you have an option for sports mode that will give you an amazing power, guys. You won't believe once you put on accelerator, it's gonna reach 100, 120, 130. It's gonna go like that. But in Dubai we don't have an option to drive like that. The maximum speed which is allowed is 120 kilometers per hour. But at the same time we can extend up to 140. So normally we go up to 120 to 130 maximum, not more than that. But even when you are driving on 120 or 130, I'm getting around 16 to 18 if you are on a highway. So I think it's a quite good mileage for this car. But when you are stuck in the traffic, obviously it's gonna reduce, and especially when you are giving the hard acceleration. This is from my personal experience. For an automatic cars, you have to give the gradual acceleration, not too hard. If you give the hard acceleration, like engine like CVT engines and all will give you the best performance. It will take you from 0 to 100 within like seconds. Not like sports car, but at least in the average segment, you will get the best power transmission. But in general, automatic gearbox cars, you have to give the acceleration like a gradual acceleration. If you are driving in that mode, you will get the best mileage. Maybe you will get more than what company is offering. Hope this video is interesting for you guys, because the main purpose actually we would like to talk something in English. So I thought if you can talk something which is interesting for you guys, at least this will create some interest for audience to have a look at this video. So we'll be back with some other interesting features or some other interesting topic. So meanwhile, this is SHIJU Thomas signing off. If you're watching my channel for the first time, consider subscribing, and if it's possible, click the bell icon button. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.